So yeah, maybe I'm being Facebook shadow banned because the last video I made on Facebook there live, no one watched. Imagine that. Kick-ass, powerful information. This is totally life transformative. Probably the biggest, most important thing I'd probably like to learn in life if I could pick one thing. Like, apart from the fact that I'm divine, love, light, joy, being, soul in physical form, who can connect with my divinity while still in the physical body. But except for that, the most important thing, like, is super important. But yeah, in this video I'd say the most important thing, some of the most important things overall in life, in terms of for just everything, being successful and happy and just wonderful in relationships and even single, is one, apart from that biggest, most important thing, is one, to practice appreciation and just to list, name, think of, focus on, talk about, keep talking about, talk again about, and highlight and think about again all your favorite things about a person, about a past relationship potentially, about your life right now, about your day today, about your day yesterday, about everything that you own or have or possess, all of your possessions and belongings, your favorite clothes, love them, feel happy with everything. The fact that I went to the beach yesterday a lot lately, and the weather's been sunny, and just have a good enough body, and enough money. Just like I'm loved plenty enough, and I'm loving plenty enough. Everything. Just keep going on and on about appreciation. Okay. Oh, and then the other thing that's so important, the second thing, is to try and stay extremely open to the mistakes that you're making, because if you don't, you're going to keep doing them and you'll be held back, less happy and less successful. So one is practice appreciation and make that a routine and a habit and a pattern in your life. And the second one is stay open and listen to or ask your friends or acquaintances or healers, like, what do you think I'm maybe doing wrong here, or like what type of mistake am I possibly doing that's getting in the way of true happiness, true joy and success. Like, where am I making problems in my relationship? For example, how can I make this better, smoother, softer, happier, more connected, more intimate, more joyful, more positive and successful, more better? So yeah, stay open and practice appreciation. So I'm off to get some spring water now. Hope that little video helps you. So yeah, between that and then the most important other thing that I mentioned in this video, about being a divine being, and the other last video I just made, is like the biggest, most important thing to know in life and relationships. You're gonna like really kick ass so much more, and yeah, they're like super important. It takes a long time to keep practicing, developing at them, but it's worth it, and you will be successful, and you are successful already. So it's not about waiting till we get there or then, it's about now, and we have enough, and things are going to get better. So be in that type of energy. Okay, my friends, lots of love. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. You're awesome. I'm delighted you're joining me. Yeah, so hi from Ireland. Lots of love wherever you are in the world. Lots of love. Have a beautiful day. Hugs and kisses. And yes, we've got it. We've got this. Keep working on everything and appreciating and loving, living and laughing and smiling. And get out there in nature and be happy, be joyful. Let's all be kind. Have a merry day together and practice emotional maturity and healing. It's the most important thing, really. It's all about letting go of the blocks, because underneath all the blocks and everything that holds us down and holds us back is all the shining gold, and we are the shining gold. So it's only the obstacles of the blocks. That's all we've got to really focus on, because then the sun will automatically shine. It's like, take away the cloud and the sun is like, shh. Everyone is the sun. We are the sun. We are the divine light. Truly, not just joking or saying it. So yeah, it's about identifying and letting go. And we let go, create space. The goodness flows in, our divinity, and the sunshine light shines out. Okay? That's all we got to do. Yeah, so don't forget to check me out, connect and collaborate, befriend me on social media. All the links are below for any coaching or life coaching, relationship coaching, health coaching, personal healing, shadow work, pain body work, ego work, identifying and letting go of the blocks, the heaviness and the obstacles, so we can let go and move forward in life with huge big leaps and bounds. please do contact me. And I have really amazing books that I'm so happy and joyful for coming out in the next few months too, and some video courses, little by little, okay? Just trying to find the time and space, time and energy to do them and finish them, being a very busy family man. So I do also help like parents as well, just on that matter for sure. I'd love to. It's a passion of mine too. So the children can be helped. And for anyone who'd like 10% off my herb store, Higher Self Herbs to help health and energy, check out my links below and use the code OneLoveOneFamily. A little bit of broccoli soup. Other than that, thanks, and look forward to hearing from you and connecting with you more. So I'm always here for you. Just, reach out, and if anyone wants to collaborate, please do. Other than that, just remember, have the best day ever, and don't be on your phone too much, and be in real life, and love the real life moments for real.